Hello everyone, my name is Alpandi Putra and we were excited to present to you our revolutionary solution that will transform the way you travel. Today, we will introduce you to TraveGuide mobile apps and showcase how they can enhance your travel experience, so let's dive right in. Before we proceed with the discussion, allow me to introduce the team members. Firstly, there's myself for Machine Learning Pet. Next, we have Muhammad Qistan from Machine Learning Pet, Nina Alexsandra from Cloud Computing, Nunjila Mulia Anisa from Cloud Computing, Alvin Fernanda from Mobile Development, and lastly, Jefry from Mobile Development. International tourist arrival refers to the number of visitors from other countries who travel to a particular destination. It is an essential indicator of a country's attractiveness and the health of its tourism sector. In the case of Indonesia, a country known for its rich culture, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, international tourism plays a significant role in its economy.
Let's analyze the trend of domestic tourist number in Indonesia from 2019 to 2021. During this period, there has been a consistent and significant increase in domestic tourist arrivals. Despite challenges such as the global COVID-19 pandemics and related restrictions, the domestic tourism sector in Indonesia has shown remarkable resilience and growth. This upward trend can be attributed to factors such as increased local travel preference, promotional campaigns, and improved infrastructure. It demonstrates the strength of the domestic tourism industry and the strong appeal of Indonesia's diverse attraction to its own residents. Similarly, the travel sector's contribution to Indonesia's GDP saw a downturn in 2019 to 2020, but shows signs of recovery in 2021.
So, why is this country a wonderful place to visit? Indonesia's myriad places offers delightful stopovers, combining scenic natural landscape and diverse cultures. Experience untouched beaches, mountains, lake, and captivating city style. However, one visit won't suffice to fully embrace the wonders of Indonesia. Background of the application. Our team recognized that Indonesia has tourist potential, including its scenic landscape, and the government's plan to develop 10 new destinations. However, we identified a shortage of the tour guides in certain areas. To overcome this challenge, our research focused on increasing the number of tour guides, attracting more tourists, and ensuring reliable and affordable services. We aim to enhance Indonesia's tourist industry by supporting local guides. This is inspiring the creation of this project. Research question. Based on the overview, we can make a research question to helpful an Indonesian tourist industry. First, how can we increase the tour guide profession in Indonesia? Second, how can we make tourists interested in tourist destination? Third, how can tourists get trustworthy tour guides at affordable prices? And fourth, how can tour guides get more customers?
The exciting results that currently exist are only in the form of application. These offer user features such as hotel booking, designing vacation agendas, hiring pre-profiled travel agents by application, and others. Therefore, an application is needed that can offer a solution to the mentioned research question. TraveGuide, an acronym for the travel guides, is an application created with the aim of providing a solution for both tourist and travel guides. We have developed a marketplace feature where travel guides can directly register themselves in the destination where they can serve as guides. Tourists are free to choose their desired tourist destination and travel guides.
We have trained a dataset of 8,000 training images and 2,000 test images with exceptionally good results. The model achieves high accuracy and precise classification, benefiting from the larger dataset size, which facilitated learning from diverse samples and improved performance. This dataset is credited to a Prabowo Bangkit 2021 team at Kegel, contributing to Indonesia's tourism destinations.
For the machine learning part, we create a recommender system using collaborative filtering method. Here, we create two embedding layers for users and place or tourism destination. Then, we merge them using a concatenate layer between the two embedding layers. and we add a fully connected layer to a model. This is the summary of the model.
In the cloud computing section, in the development of the backend, we use the JavaScript programming language with Node.js and install several dependencies such as Express, MySQL, NodeMon, and also Malter and Google Cloud Storage. Here we utilize the MySQL database with PHP which will be exported to cloud storage on the Google Cloud Platform. Next, the tools that we use in Google Cloud Platform are Google Cloud Storage, Google Cloud SQL, Google Cloud Build, and Google Cloud Run. Next, to deploy the created backend, first we will create a bucket in the cloud storage to upload the exported database file from PHP with the SQL extension, which will be imported into the SQL instance database. In the SQL instance, we will create a new user and add them to the backend.
Next, we will create a trigger in Cloud Build to connect the backend that has been uploaded on GitHub to the Google Cloud Platform. Then we will run the trigger and a Docker image will be obtained. Next, we will deploy the backend that has been created along with the database integrated into the Google Cloud Platform to Cloud Run. And we will use the Docker image from the container registry that was created before. After deployment, an API link will be obtained.
I will explain the tools used in mobile development. We use the Kotlin language for application development and utilize retrofit for fetching data from API. We also employ XML for the layout files and make use of live data during the application runtimes.
Here, I will explain about retrofit for fetching data from an API. I need among others an API service, API configs, and a response. For the response, I use RoboGenerate and input all the data available in the API. Next, here is an overview of several flowchart, diagram, this login, register, tips, search, and marketplace.
Listen to get application. We chose this time and problem statement due to Indonesia tourist industry immense potential and the government commitment to developing 10 new destinations. However, we identified a challenge in the statistics of our targets in these destinations and visitor experience and economic benefits. Our goal is to help travelers find a good place, promote tour goods in every country, promote Indonesia tourists, and create a win-win situation for tourists and tour guides. In these application features, this app offers several attractive features such as destination suggestion and a tour guide marketplace. Tourists and travel guides can greatly benefit if this feature can be fully utilized.
This is our local deployment plan. This is the budget allocation for $5,000 or 70 million rupiahs. This is the budget allocation for $10,000 or 140 million rupiahs. Alright, thank you. If I may conclude, this application still needs further development. However, once the application is fully developed, it will be beneficial for advancing the tourism industry in Indonesia and helping to improve the welfare of the local tour guide. That's all. Thank you and see you again.